Welcome to Kharis tutorials. I'm Simeon. I'll be making this Batwing Kaftan top in this tutorial and trust me, the style is not limited to Ankara fabric alone. You can use any other material like chiffon, organza, even veil nets will do just fine in this tutorial. And I use just 1.5 yards of Ankara fabric, so it's not going to take us time. Let's just move to the cotton tape. Welcome back. Here is my fabric. I'm using an Ankara fabric in this tutorial, and this is the length of 45. Ankara is always by 45. Now what I'm going to do is to fold it into two, so it will serve as my length of the blouse. Now this width is going to be the measurement from the shoulder, it's going to be from the shoulder, that's the middle back, to wherever I want the sleeve to stop on my arm. So mine is going to stop at the wrist, and from the shoulder to this wrist, the length I took is 25 inches. So to double it, so now my fabric has been folded into 4. I have from this middle back, this is my 24 inches. As you can see, measurement is taken from the middle back to wherever you want the sleeve to stop on your arm. Mine is going to stop at the wrist. Now this is the measurement. All I'm going to do is to measure the length of 7 inches. The width of 7 inches. I measured 7 inches. Then I'll notch just a little and open it up. I'm going to slit from this point to the other end. Now you can always increase this just in case you want something more than that. You can increase to 8, 9, 10, depending on what you want actually. So with what we have here, I'm going to show us how to join. I'll be needing the tiny elastic to do that part, so I'm going to show us. Let's move on. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is to turn the neck with bias just like this. I'm going to take it round, then I'll notch so I can top stitch and hem.
Simeon classic on deck.
Right, the next thing I'm going to do is to go to the base and join. What to join? The total measurement I have here is 48 inches. Remember, from the middle is 24 to the left, 24 to the right. Now this is the middle, which is 24 inches. I'm going to join this base based on my my waist measurement, because that's where the top is going to rest. The waist measurement is 28 inches. Divided by 4 will give us 7 inches. 28 divided by 4 will give us 7 inches. So I'm going to take the 7 inches from the middle, from the middle to the left and also to the right. So taking it to the left will be 7 inches and 7 inches, which will be 14 inches in total. And that means the front is 14, the back as well is 14, to give us 28 inches, which is the normal waist measurement. But I'm also going to add allowance to that, so because I want it to be free a bit. So now I've measured 8 inches instead of 7 inches, which is the normal measurement. I've added 1 inch and I've marked it out. So which means on the other side it's going to be 16 inches. That's 8 inches to the left and 8 inches to the right. Now what I'm going to do is to join from this edge and stop at this point. Then I'll come to the other side as well, start my joining from here and stop at the edge. Now I'm going to open it up just like this so that I can fold in. I'm going to fold in one side first, then I'll come back to fold in the other side. So I'll fold to the right and as well to the left. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button, share the video so you can help others as well. Having done that, I'm going to turn it, and the last thing we're going to do from here is to fold in the whole part of the sides. I'm going to fold it in so that I can insert my elastic. I'm going to leave a little space to insert the elastic. Now the elastic is my wrist measurements. It's my wrist measurement, just exactly my wrist measurement. That's what I have here. So after folding, I'll insert it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, leave your comments in the comment section as well, and if you have any style you'd like us to upload, you can send that to us even in the comment section. Don't forget to click the bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. I remain Simeon Grace. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter at Africa TV, and follow me as well on Kharis Kreations.